Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make sour cream, you'll need 3 ingredients: whole milk, cream, and distilled white vinegar or lemon juice. You can also use buttermilk in place of the milk and cream. In a mason jar, whisk together 1 cup cream and 1 teaspoon distilled white vinegar or lemon juice. Let sit for 10 minutes, then add 1/4 cup whole milk.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Another easy substitute for sour cream is milk and lemon juice, and evaporated milk will work as well. To substitute a cup of sour cream, use 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice via TasteSense. Yogurt is another option. Plain or Greek yogurt can be used.
Take our lead.
Homemade natural thickeners. Adding sour cream, 1 teaspoon of dried and sifted flour and constantly stirring it, it is possible to achieve the desired consistency. You can thicken the cream to the desired degree of viscosity, and gradually adding thereto freshly squeezed lemon juice. Be careful with lemon juice.
Take our lead.
Sour cream is made by adding lactic acid culture to cream and sometimes milk to thicken and sour it. In France, crème fraîche was traditionally made from unpasteurized cream that naturally contained the right bacteria to thicken it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Add dry milk powder. When using dry milk powder to thicken sour cream, you'll need to combine a small amount of it with the cream prior to heating the cream. Make sure the milk powder is mixed in well. You can slowly add more cream to the milk powder until it's well combined, then proceed with heating the cream.
Take our lead.
Yes, you can substitute. They're both cultured dairy products, albeit from different cultures. The sour cream will be more tangy and the yogurt is more sweet and tart. Of course, there's a lot more fat in sour cream.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to make vegan sour cream. It's a super easy 6-ingredient recipe that just involves throwing some raw cashews, water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, nutritional yeast and sea salt in the blender. You blend it up until it's very smooth and there you have it.
Take our lead.
Greek yogurt makes an excellent stand-in for sour cream. Greek yogurt can be used as a substitute in dips, dressings and toppings. Additionally, equal parts of full-fat Greek yogurt can be used in place of regular sour cream in any recipe, including baked goods.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.